What are you doing, lab?
I'm writing book.
Oh, writing book again. Very good si Ezra.
Ezra.
What letter is that?
Ezra.
Hindi, what letter is this, lab?
R-A.
Very good.
Mama, I done the Ezra.
Ay, very good. Next page, please.
The ano?
The letters.
Yeah!
The uppercase.
Apple!
The big letters.
The alphabet letters.
Oh, very good.
A for apple.
Very good.
B for ball.
Very good, ay. Paano yung sounds ng letter B? B. Very good.
C for cat.
Paano yung cat?
Meow.
Oh, very good yung love ko eh.
Next, the D for dog.
D for?
Dog.
Paano yung sounds ng letter D? Very good.
E for elephant.
Elephant. Paano yung sounds ng letter E? Very good. Wow, good job, Ezra. Yes. We are in the letter F. F for?
Fish. Dog.
Blom, 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 blom.
That's a lake.
Paano yung sounds ng letter F? Very good. Oh. Straight line. Very good. What?
G.
Letter G.
For gorilla.
Gorilla.
Oh.
Paano yung sounds ng letter G? G. Next is?
H for horse.
Nay! Nahulog.
That looks so steak.
Apo. Ano yung sounds ng H? Oh, very good.
Next, the letters.
Next letters are letter I
Next,
to P.
the alphabet letter.
Yes.
Is E.
Opo. Letter I for?
Ice cream.
Oh, yummy.
Yum, yum, yum.
Paano yung sounds ng letter I? E. Galing ah.
J for jelly bean.
Jelly
Yum,
beans.
yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum. Paano yung sounds ng letter J?
J.
J. What letter is that, love?
K for kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
I'm a kangaroo.
Oh, what is the sounds of the letter K?
I'm a little kangaroo.
Kangaroo. Oh, what is the sounds of letter K muna? The
I'm for lion. Wow!
Oh, I'm scared.
Ezra.
It's Ezra. Letter L.
For
Lion. Ay, what is the sounds muna tong letter L?
good job.
Good job.
For monkey.
Very good. Very good. Paano yung sounds ng letter M? It should be close your mouth.
Monkey.
Galing.
And for noodles.
Noodles. Favorite. Yum, yum.
Nom, nom, nom. Eat, eat.
Eat. Paano yung sounds ng letter N?
I mean, eat.
Eat. Nom, 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 nom.
Bunso.
Oh, busog. Oh, what is the sound?
Tummy.
Ay, big tummy?
I'm a big tummy.
Opo, big tummy.
Big tummy.
Oh, what is the sounds of letter N?
Mm.
Galing.
Oh, for orange.
Orange. Eat.
Nom, nom,
nom, nom, nom, nom.
Ay, bunsog says what?
Ay, busog si Ezra. Ay,
Bunso.
busog si Mommy.
Let's see.
Sarap. Paano yung sounds lang na letter O? Oh, galing.
B for penguin.
Penguin. Ay, what is that? Cold? Yay!
Ooh, it's so cold.
It's so cool. Drama.
That's funny.
Oh, what is the sounds of letter P? Oh, good
job.
Yeah, good job.
I know letter.
Next letters are Q to X.
Wow, Q for queen.
Queen. Ezra is a princess. Mommy is a queen.
It's a princess, mommy queen.
Excuse me. Yes po.
Ano Bunso?
Busog.
T.
What is the sounds of Q? Very good.
As for rainbow.
Rainbow. What is the color of the rainbow? Red.
Orange.
Very good.
And yellow.
And
Blue.
and
Purple.
indigo.
Violet. Ano?
What is the sounds of letter R?
O.
What letter is that, love?
Letter S. Mama go.
S for
Snake.
Paano yung sounds ng letter S?
C for tiger. Wow. Ano ba?
I'm afraid. I'm scared.
Miss Ezra.
Ah, your name is Ezra. What is the sound of letter T? Very good.
E for umbrella.
Oh, U from umbrella.
Raining.
It rain.
Mommy, umbrella.
Where's the umbrella? Oh,
Thank you.
okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is the umbrella and
What is the sound of letter U?
rain.
Hindi, sounds.
Umbrella.
Hindi nga, yung sounds ng letter U is very good.
Umbrella.
Very good.
P for volcano.
Volcano.
Oh no, volcano. That's silly.
That's silly. Oh, what is the sound of the letter V? Next is
Mommy, 1, 2, 3.
W.
Water.
Water.
Whale.
Oh, whale.
I.
Hello.
Oh no, this scared.
What is the sound of W?
Mommy.
Oh, yes po. Oh, what is the sound of W?
X for X-ray.
X-ray.
Oh.
What is the sound of letter X?
X-ray.
Very good. And the two letters.
The happy side.
Oh, happy sad. This is the design for Cinderella. See?
Happy.
Yes. She's sad. See? This one. Then this one, she's happy.
Sad. Happy.
Happy. Galing. Short.
Good job.
Good job. What letter is this?
Yo-yo.
Y for?
Yo-yo.
Yo-yo.
Good job.
What is the sound of Y?
Yeah.
There are three sounds of Y.
No, it's going down the two and the white.
Later we will listen, ha?
Yes.
Okay po?
Yes, here for
Yeah.
zebra. Zebra.
Zebra. What is the sound of letter Z? Z.
Next, the other letters.
Okay.
Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless.